Multiply 6.25 by 50 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 31. The second partial product is 31,250. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 5 is 5. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 2 is 2. In the thousands column, bring down 1. In the 10,000s column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 31,250. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 31,250 becomes 312.50. That is simply 312.5. So 6.25 times 50 is 312.5.